Hello friend, I'm Aries, sales engineer of Zhengzhou Tony Machinery Company. Behind me is our factory. Now follow my lens, come in to learn more. First of all, on the left and right area of the main road are our machines place, where to store all the machines that have been produced and can load it at any time. Now let's go into the production workshop. Follow me. This is our production workshop. Let's go. Is to place our all steel material, and the section ahead is our automatic workshop. Let's have a look. This is our automatic workshop, mainly producing packaging machine and control system. This is the impeller packaging machine, and inside is our control system. Here are our technical engineer, and all these control cabinets are for our sand dryer and dry mortar mixer plant. As you can see, our worker is working now. It is a batching hopper. Guy is the pulse dust collector, and follow me. This whole section is for the sand dryer machine. As you can see, our worker is working now for different models of sand dryer. Go ahead. This whole place is for our mixing plant, such as the twin shaft paddle mixer. Here, many sets of the twin shaft paddle mixer, also including our pre-mixed hopper, wing hopper, and so on. This workshop is for painting. Let's have a look. This is all the situation of our production workshop. Now let's go out. This place is in front of the painting workshop. This is the example area of our main products. As you can see, here is our sand dryer, house dust collector, twin shaft paddle mixer, and as you can see, right here is our wet sand hopper, and behind the hopper is the Foley platform of the dry mortar mixer plant. Okay, this is a general situation of our factory, and thanks for watching.